Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. Today's video is for class 2, subject science. So before we start our video, I would like to ask you, I hope all of you are following the rules and regulation strictly, like not going out of the house, not eating the stale food, keeping yourselves neat and clean, and the surrounding neat and clean. Please take care of all these points. Please take care of your family. So, before we start our video, let us read one thought. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. So, what is the meaning of this thought? That tomorrow, if you want to succeed, if you want to get success tomorrow in the future, then today you have to start working hard from today itself. You will not think that I will work hard tomorrow or when I grow up. No, if you want to achieve success, if you want to be something in life, then you have to start working hard from today itself. Don't even waste a single day or a single minute of your life. It is written by Jackson Brown. Now, before we start, let us preview the concepts. What are we going to cover today? That is recap of the contents learned in the previous video. What have we learned in the previous video? Yes, do you know that? We have covered the parts of a plant. So, we will just have a recap in short. Then we will learn about how green plants make their own food. That is the new topic we are going to learn today. Then, after completing that, we will just see the overview of the lesson, the key point of the lesson, whole lesson at a glance in short. And finally, we will solve some exercise of the lesson based on the understanding of the lesson. So, all these are the points that we are going to cover in today's video. So, first let us have the recap, let us have the review of the last lecture, and then we will start with green plants make their own food. So, in the previous video, we had seen the parts of a plant. All these parts of the plants we had studied in detail. Which are the parts of the plant? Root, stem, leaf, flower, seed, fruit. These are the parts of the plant. Then we had seen each and every part of the plant in detail, that is root. Root are the part of the plant that grow at the bottom of the tree or at the bottom of the plant. Roots are the base of the plant. Then we had seen plant roots and tree roots. Plant roots grow under the ground, tree roots above the ground. They are far more stronger. Then we had seen what are stems. Stem is the backbone. This is how the plant will be able to stand with the help of stem. Then we had seen plant stem and tree stem. As you can see, this is thicker and this is not thick, it is very strong. Then we had seen what is trunk. What is a trunk? The stem of the tree is called trunk. The outer covering of the tree is called trunk and it is covered with bark. The outer part is bark. Then leaves. What are leaves? Leaves capture sunlight. They are of green color and many sizes. Then we had seen different types of leaves. Leaves have different linings and water. This is how plants make their food. Then we had seen flowers. Flowers are of different colors, shape, and they are also used for making perfumes. Then we had seen different colors and different types of flowers. I had shown you these colors of flowers and explained the details of the flowers. Then we had seen what are seeds. Seeds are the plants. Seeds are the part of the plants that are used to grow other plants. These are the strongest part, and we can grow other plants from the seeds. Then what else we had seen? We had seen the different kinds of seeds, different colors of seeds. Here you can see black color seeds, here brown color. So different colors of seeds are there. Then we had seen what is a fruit. In fruit we had seen the apple. Fruits contain seeds. Fruits can be soft, it can be hard also. Then what had we seen? We had seen the fruits of different kinds. This was the last thing we had seen in the previous lecture. Now let us begin with our today's topic. So our today's topic, that is types of plants and how green plants make their own food. So this is what we have to study in today's new topic. As you can see on your screen, photosynthesis process is given. This is photosynthesis process. Now we are going to study this in detail. Let us see. So what is written over here? Green plants make their own food. This is the heading of the topic. Green plants make their own food. So as human beings make their own food, same way plants also can make their own food. So how do they make their own food? Let us read. plants are living organisms and need food to grow. Obviously, like living beings are living, so they need food to grow. Without food, without water, we cannot grow. The human beings will die if they don't get food or water. Same way, the plants cannot live without food. Even they need food and water for growing. Plants prepare their own food. The necessary ingredients plants need to make their food are sunlight, water, air. All these are the points. These are the 3 points which plant need. Which are the 3 things? Sunlight, water, air. Plants prepare their own food. So I hope you understood. Plants, they make their own food with the help of all these ingredients. Ingredients means the things which are needed for cooking. Like we need many things. We need salt and sugar, etc. for cooking. That are called ingredients. Same way, plants need these 3 ingredients. These are the 3 most important ingredients that plants need for cooking. With the help of these ingredients, plants can prepare their own food. So let us see the first ingredient, that is sunlight. See, the process is shown over here. What is given? Plants' leaves absorb sunlight as required by the plant. So what do the plant's leaves do? They absorb the sunlight. They take in the sunlight. And the plant requires sunlight. As you can see, the sunlight is falling on the plant, and the plant leaves, they take the sunlight on them and they absorb, means to take inside. Like you absorb water, you drink water. Same way, plants can take inside the sunlight which is falling on them. Some plants need more sunlight and some need less. So there are different types of plants. As I had explained you in the previous videos, plants are of different types. We have studied all the kinds of plants. So different plants need different sunlight. Some need more, some need less. All are not equal. Same way, human beings, some human beings need more food, some need less food, depending on the shape and size. Right? Same way, the plants, some plants need more food and some need less food. There are plants that need shade as they require very limited amount of sunlight. So what is given over here? Some plants need to be in shade. Like there are human beings. Some human beings like to stay out in the sun, and some human beings like to stay in the house. They don't like the sunlight. Same way, plants are also of different kinds. Some plants need limited amount of sunlight. If lot of sunlight falls on the plant, then the plant will die. It means it will not grow properly. And some plants need a lot of sunlight for growing. So it depends on the type of the plant, and it depends that which kind of ingredients the plants need. So all the plants have different needs. The first need is the sunlight, which is shown over here. And as you can see over here, plants will throw out oxygen that we need, and we will throw out carbon dioxide that plants will take inside. And here is the water. Plants also cannot grow without water. Next, the second most important thing that plant needs is water. Right? Water is also needed by human beings. Without water, we cannot survive for many days. We will die. Same way, plants also need water to survive, to blush. Water is required for healthy growth of plants. Like we need water every day for growth. Same way, water is required for the plant. Every day we need to water plants. Every day. Like every day we need plenty of water. Same way, plants also need some amount of water every day for the growth. Too much or too little water will harm the plants, and plants may die. So if you just pour too much of water, if you just start pouring one bucket, then second bucket, then third bucket, then also the plant will die. You need to give sufficient amount of water. For example, if you are giving 1 glass of water to the plant, you are pouring it to the plant near the root, then every day you have to pour the same amount of water, 1 glass, to the plant. You will not pour more, or not, you will neither pour less amount of water to the plant. Otherwise, it will die. For human beings also, if they drink a lot of water, it will come out, right? Vomiting. So, same way, the plants also need sufficient amount of water, not more, not less. Plants absorb water by roots. How do plants take water? As you can see over here, plants take water with roots. See, these are the roots. And from here, the plants take in the water. From here, it takes the water inside. The amount of water needed varies between all types of plants. So again, just like sunlight, even water is not required by all the plants equally. Some plants need more water, some plants need less amount of water. All the human beings are different. Some need more water, some need less. Similarly, in plants, some plants need more amount and some need less. And as you can see over here, oxygen is thrown out and carbon dioxide is taken inside by the plant, and the sunlight is falling. See how the plant is shining, smiling, because it is getting all the required things. Then the third most important thing required for the plant growth is air. This is also one of the most important things required by the plants for making food. Air is also required by human beings. Without air, no one can survive. Even plants will die. Plants take in carbon dioxide through leaves and gives out oxygen in process of photosynthesis. As I told you earlier, we exhale carbon dioxide, we take in oxygen. So, the oxygen that we throw out is taken inside by the plants. And what do plants throw out? Plants will give out oxygen, and this oxygen is required by us. We need oxygen to grow. So, without plants, even we cannot survive, and without us, plants cannot survive. So, we give out oxygen that is taken in by plants, and plants we give out carbon dioxide that is taken in by plants, and the plants throw out oxygen that is taken inside by human beings. And this process is called photosynthesis. Remember students, this is one of the most important word in your lesson. Which process is this? Photosynthesis. And in photosynthesis, what will happen? Human beings throw out carbon dioxide and plants throw out oxygen. That is called exchanging. We give carbon dioxide to the plants and they give us oxygen. This process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. This process is called photosynthesis. Next. Now one more point. As you can see, the vegetables are kept over here, plants are there. Some plants store extra food in roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds. So there are some plants who will store extra food inside the root, inside the stem, leaves, fruits and seed. All these are the places where the plants can store their extra food, and when the plant is hungry, the food will be passed on to all the parts of the plant with the help of these parts. Next, examples. See, examples are given of root vegetables as you can see on your screen. Many root vegetables are given. Onion is there. Then what else is there? Carrot is there. Potatoes are there. So many root vegetables are shown on your screen. All these are root vegetables. Radish, carrots, beetroot, sweet potato, turnip, etc. All these are the root vegetables which can store food. Then what are stems? Stems, onion, potato, ginger, garlic, turmeric, etc. Can you see over here? This is the picture. This is the picture of stems as you can see over here on your screen. So there are different kinds of stems as written over here. Then different examples of leaves are shown over here as you can see on your screen. These are different leaves. What are the names? Spinach, cabbage, lettuce, mustard green, etc. So mostly as you can see the color is green. Green vegetables are very healthy. If you eat green vegetables, you will never fall ill. See the examples given over here. Cabbage is given, mustard is given, parsley is given, lettuce is given. All these are the green vegetables. And the names are given over here of these green vegetables. Now the examples of the fruits are given on your screen. You can see very delicious, very attractive fruits are there on your screen. Which are the names of the fruits? Cucumber, tomato, plum, eggplant and avocado, etc. There are many other, but some examples are given over here. As you can see, red color tomato, their eggplant, cucumber, very healthy for the health. Then it is squash, avocado. So all these are the very, you can say, nutritious, very healthy food for all of us. We must eat these fruits. Then seeds. Now the different examples of the seeds are given. Which are that? Peas, corn, beans, lentils, seeds and groundnut. These are the different examples of the seeds as shown on the screen. As you can see, green peas is there. We just put it in many other vegetables while cooking. Then corn is given. Then what is there? Beans are there. Many other seeds are given on your screen. These are all the examples of the seeds. So here we complete our lesson, types of plants. Now let us have a glance at the whole lesson. What are the concepts, the important concepts, the keywords that we have studied? Let us have a glance quickly. As you can see, these are the trees. Big and tall plants with woody stem are called trees. Trees also give us woods, medicines, and they can also give shelter to human beings. We can sit under the tree and get shelter. Then trees can also help to have better rainfall. If there are more trees, there will be good rainfall in that area. Trees make the air fresh, right? We get fresh air with the help of trees. We get oxygen. Then what have we seen? The trees are of different shapes and different colors, as you can see on your screen. Then what are shrubs? The small plants with woody stems are called shrubs. As you can see, shrub can be brief or evergreen. Rose, hibiscus, tulsi are shrubs. Then we had seen the different examples of the shrubs in the previous videos. Rose plant, tulsi plant, hibiscus plant. These are the different examples of the shrubs. We had also understood these plants in detail. Then we had seen what are herbs. What are herbs? Small plants with soft stems are called herbs. It can be used as medicine. Herbs are the best medicine for all the human beings. We can use this most. Herbs can be planted wherever growing conditions are good. You can plant this anywhere if there is enough rainfall, sunlight, water. Then different types of herbs, as you can see on your screen. What are the different types of herbs? Which are the good ones? Mint, dill, sage, basil, most important, basil, parsley. There are many other herbs, as you can see on your screen. These are the different herbs. Coriander, we had studied all this in detail. These are examples of the herbs. Then we had seen what are climbers. Plants with weak stems that need support of other plants, walls, stick to grow are called climbers. So climbers are the plants which need support to grow. Without support, they cannot grow. So the climbers are the plants which need support to grow. We had seen different examples of the climbers. See, the different examples these are the different examples of the climbers. We had seen grapevine and many other climbers in the example. Then what are creepers? Creepers with weak stems grow along the ground. It will grow in the sleeping position, I told you, along the ground. Pumpkin and muskmelon. This is pumpkin. I had also shown you one large pumpkin. Creepers are of different types. As you can see on your screen, these are the examples of creepers. Then what had we studied in the later part of the lesson? We had studied what are roots. Roots are the part that fixes the plant to the ground, under the ground. As you can see, some roots are above the ground. It gives support to the plant. Then we had seen what are roots, which are different kinds of roots. Some are above the ground, some are below the ground. So in that way, the roots are different than each other. Then we had said stems, the part that carries the water and food to all other part of the plant is called stem. It is also called backbone of the plant. Then different kinds of stem, as you can see on your screen, these are different kinds of stems. We had seen later what are leaves. Leaves are the flat green part, and what is the work of the leaf? It will make the food for the plant, and it is called a leaf. It will make food. Different types of leaves, different colors of leaves, as you can see, very attractive, very interesting, beautiful leaves are these. They have linings, and with the chlorophyll they can breathe in. Flower, what are flowers? Flowers are the part that produces fruit, and so we call them flower. It is also used for making perfume, and it is very beautiful and very attractive part of the plant. Then we had seen different colors, different types of flowers. As you can see on your screen, these are the different types of flowers. Then what had we seen? Different types of fruits. See, very yummy, very nutritious, healthy fruits are shown on the screen. The part that has seed is called fruit. Fruit has the seed inside it. As I told you, the seed will be there inside the fruit. They are juicy and they are tasty, very yummy. It protects the seed and that are inside it. The seeds are inside the fruits, and it will protect the seeds which are inside it. Different types of fruits you can see on your screen. See, these are very delicious, yummy fruits. Orange, grapes, banana, watermelon, etc. These are many different types of fruits as it is shown on the screen, and I hope you might be eating all these fruits so that you can be healthy and fine. Then lastly we had seen what are seeds. One of the most important keywords, seeds are the part from which the baby plant grows. It is called seed. From this we can grow new plants. Seed, it needs air, water, sunlight. Without air, water and sunlight, the plant cannot grow. Then we had seen different types of seeds. As you can see, different shapes, different colors of the seeds. These are the different varieties of the seeds as you can see on your screen. So this much we had studied till now. These were the important key points that you must remember after understanding the lesson. So now let us solve the exercise based on all this understanding. So let us match these parts of a plant with their function. So what is given? The first one, that is roots, then stem, leaves, flowers and fruits, and here the functions are given. So we have to match the function with the part of the plant. Let us do it very quickly. So first one is given roots. So what is the function of the roots? It will take in water and nutrients from the soil. So let us match that. Roots will take in the water and nutrients from the soil. Second one is stem. What is the function of the stem? It will transport water to the other parts. So that is the function of the stem. Then the third one is leaves. What is the use of the leaf? Leaf will make the food for the plant. So where is that? That process is called photosynthesis. We studied today the process of photosynthesis that is done by leaves. The last one, the second last, the flowers. What are flowers? What is the use of flowers? They are colorful and attract the insects. As you can see, I had shown you in the previous video, it will attract the insects. Then fruits, lastly. What are fruits? They are fleshy and the seeds are there inside the fruit. So that are called fruits. That part is called the fruits. Now let us move ahead. So our next exercise is label the parts of a plant. We have to label all these 5 parts of the plant. Which is this part? Can you see? This is leaf. So shall we write over there? What is this part? It is called a leaf. So let me write over there. What is the spelling? The spelling is L-E-A-F, leaf. So that will write over here. This is the part of the plant called leaf. The second one, let us see. What is this? Can you see this? Yes, that is a flower, yellow color as you can see. So let us write over there flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, and I'll put it over here flower. Then next one, what is this? This is the backbone and that is called stem. So let us write stem over here. What is the spelling of stem? S-T-E-M, stem, and I'll put it over here in the box. So this is the stem. Then this part, can you see, very delicious, very yummy part? This is called fruit. It is very juicy. So what do we write? F-R-U-I-T, fruit, right? That is the fruit of the plant, and I put it in the box. Then next one, last, can you see over here? This is called root. It is underground, sometimes above the ground. So this is called root. So let us write over there the spelling R-O-O-T, root, and put it in the blank. These are all the 5 parts of the plant. This was the labeling the diagram, parts of the plant. Now I hope you know what are leaves, what are flowers, what is a stem, what is a fruit, what is root. Root is sometimes above the ground, sometimes underground. Leaf, it is on the stem. Flower is also on the stem. Fruit is the yummy part, the delicious part of the plant, very juicy. And stem is the backbone of the plant. Now let us learn hard words to be written in the fair book, types of plants. That is the lesson's name. So let us learn hard words one by one and we'll revise the hard words along with me. You have to speak and you have to learn the hard words with me. So number 1, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. See, these are the plants. So let's speak with me. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. Number 2, you have to speak along with me. S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. S-H-A-P-E-S, shapes. shapes, shapes. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Then number 3, sizes, sizes. sizes, sizes. sizes, sizes. Some plants are bigger in size, some are smaller in size. Number 4, different, 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 different. We saw different types of plants, different parts of the plant. So different means not same. Different from each other means it is not the same. different, different. Then next, number 5, trees, 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 trees. As you can see, trees are there and between there is a road. trees, trees. Next, number 6, strong, 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 strong. Some plants have strong stems, some have weak stems. So that is strong and opposite is weak. Next, woody, 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 woody. Woody means of wood, made of wood. As you can see, there is a wood over here. So this is called woody. Some plants have woody stems made of wood. And with the help of wood, we can also make different furnitures like benches, chairs, and many other things are made with the help of wood of the tree. Even paper can be made with the help of trees. So woody, woody. Next, number 8, trunks, 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 trunks. What is this called? Trunks. As you can see, the part of the tree, the stem of the tree is called the trunk. This is the trunk and it is covered outside, as you can see. The outer covering, this part of the tree which helps to stand erect, is called the trunk of the tree. It is very, very strong. trunks, trunks. Next one, number 9, banyan, 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 banyan. As you can see on your screen, this is a banyan tree, and I had also told you many advantages. What are the advantages of banyan tree? We have already learned banyan tree's advantages, its usefulness. So banyan, banyan. Then last, number 10, shrubs, 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 shrubs. Now we already learned what are shrubs. We saw different examples of the shrubs, the types of the plants when we studied. There are different types, shrubs, herbs, etc. So one of the type is shrubs. Shrubs are the small plants. So shrubs, 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 shrubs. So in today's lecture, the new topic that we studied is green plants make their own food. How do they make their own food? With the help of sunlight, water, air. And we also saw sunlight, the importance of sunlight. Some need more, some need less sunlight. Then we saw water. Some plants need more water, some need less water. Then we saw that air is also one of the most important factors for plants. It will give us oxygen, we will give carbon dioxide. Then some plants store extra food. Where do they store? In roots, stems, leaves, fruits and seeds. Then we had seen examples of the roots, different types of roots. After that we had seen different type of stems. And then we had seen different types of leaves. After that we had seen different types of fruits, as you can see on your screen. All these fruits we had seen. And lastly we had seen different type of seeds. So this much we had covered in today's video. So I will end with the thought of today. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. So start doing your best today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Watch the videos regularly. Do the homework regularly. and if you do all this today, then tomorrow you will surely give your best. So best of luck and study well. I will come with a new video. Till then, all of you, goodbye and have a blessed day. Thank you.